Edwin Megwa, Director.
And service of humanity and their leader or commission is for very important humanity. And then the next 5,000 capacity auditorium at Kai local government. May God bless and may serve.
Therefore, we do everything we can to make them comfortable. tried and doing the hostel for them. I saw the kitchen last time. It was not. I said no. We built the kitchen. It was vandalized by criminals. We have to send people to review the kitchen. Look at the landscaping. Look at all the internal roads here. They are human beings. The mere fact they may not come for the rest of the time, they should suffer. And so for us, whether you are from here or not, since we render services to the state, we need to acknowledge it. We need to appreciate it. And so we came up, they have no auditorium, nowhere to meet. When they probably the coordinator, or even as the director, general Ashram, why would he address the corpers? He will bring them outside. I saw one hall there before, when they were starting this cannot be possible. And so we decided to build a 5,000 seating capacity auditorium. This project was completed before now. The contractor ran away with the money and said, nothing will deter us. We must complete it. And we gave it down to the second person, the glory of God. Today, we are commissioning this Memorial Auditorium. I don't know whether they have it in other states. It is for the Secretariat to say, I have not been to any other state. My commissioner said, this is only one. He has not been to all the other states. It is when the Secretariat comes, he will tell you whether this is the best or this is only one we can find. It's not we have to say, but this is our own token to appreciate those who come to this state to service the state. I'm very happy that when you forget about the rain, the showers of blessing. So we're all happy to identify with you. And so on this note, let me invite the Director General of this National Youth Service Scheme to please come and talk to you and formally commission this 5,000 seating capacity auditorium. Thank you and God bless you.
Members of State Executive Council present, the Commander Operation Delta Set, Rear Admiral Amin Hassan, other Head of Security Commands, Royal Fathers, NYSC Top Management, State Coordinators of Rivers, Imo, Akwa Ibom, and Bayelsa, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with immense delight that I address this August gathering on the occasion of formal inauguration of this 5,000 capacity theater auditorium constructed by Rivers State Government. Let me begin by recognizing the esteemed presence of the Chief Host and the Executive Governor of Rivers State. He has done a lot for us. Thank you, Your Excellency, and may God bless you and your Rivers State. The Chairman of local government, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders who are here to identify with us at this event. Your Excellency, this occasion offered a unique opportunity for appreciating of your numerous people-oriented projects since the advent of your administration, sir. I congratulate you and the good people of Rivers State on delivery of this dividends of democracy. It is also heartwarming to note that the state government, under your able leadership, have done a lot for NYSC. Few to be mentioned, you renovated Copas, their hostels and official residence. You asphalted the roads in the camp. You renovated the old multipurpose hall. You constructed drainages. You reconstructed the old dining hall. You restored the payment of monthly allowances to core members in Rivers State. You restored payment of running costs to the Secretariat. These are few to be mentioned because of the weather and time. Your Excellency, we are highly appreciative of what you have done, and we are indebted to you. We are indebted to you. We will do all our best to do good service delivery to people of Rivers State under your leadership. Your Excellency, the progress that has achieved so far must be as a result of a purposeful leadership that you are giving to people of Rivers State, sir. Thank you for what you have done to us. It has been our call all over the state to have something like this. Thank God Rivers State has took the lead, just like what the commissioner said earlier. This is the first of its kind, and I know the rest of the state will copy from Rivers State. Your Excellency, thank you, and may God bless you. But before I finish my appreciation of His Excellency, I humbly and respectfully want to sought for His Excellency's consent to name this advent after His Excellency. Thank you for consenting and agreeing. The name of the hall now is no more, but is Governor, His Excellency Governor Nelson Wike's Hall Auditorium. This is the name of the hall. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.